Welcome to Daily Epoch, your daily dose of AI news. Let's dive into today's top stories. ServiceNow just embedded OpenAI's brand new GPT-5.2 into its platform, giving voice-enabled AI agents direct access to execute actions across 80 billion enterprise workflows annually, moving AI from answering questions to actually getting work done. Amazon Bedrock just added reserved throughput for Claude Sonnet 4.5 in AWS GovCloud, letting government and regulated industries reserve guaranteed AI capacity with fixed monthly pricing. This gives predictable performance for mission-critical coding and agent workloads using Anthropic's top model. World Labs, the Fei startup building what they call spatial intelligence, just launched the World API to generate explorable 3D worlds from text and images. Unlike video generators, these environments are persistent and editable. Think turning a simple prompt into a playable game level or robot simulation in about 5 minutes. Microsoft just expanded GitHub Copilot to SQL Server Management Studio with schema-aware T-SQL completions that understand your database, and to Visual Studio with a C++ build agent that analyzes build traces and automatically applies speedups like precompiled headers. Cognition just launched Devin Review, a free AI that automatically reviews GitHub pull requests, catching bugs and grouping related changes logically. Try it instantly by swapping github.com with devinreview.com in any link. Ollama now generates images locally on your Mac using Apple's MLX machine learning framework. Run diffusion models like Flux 2. Client offline with simple commands, keeping your data private. Numina just open-sourced an AI agent that scored a perfect 12 out of 12 on the Putnam Math competition, proving that general-purpose coding models can match specialized theorem provers without any custom training. llama.cpp just dropped 2 massive updates. The Vulkan backend is now up to 4 times faster for small batch inference, and new hybrid memory for interleaved sliding window attention, which slashes memory usage by 6 times for long contexts, lets you run 27 billion parameter models on consumer GPUs. AMD just released a one-click AI installer in their graphics drivers called the Adrenalin AI Bundle, automatically setting up Python, ROCm, that's AMD's answer to NVIDIA's CUDA, and tools like Comfy UI for local AI on Radeon GPUs, finally making AMD as easy to use for AI as GeForce. LlamaIndex's new SDKs and Parse API v2 cut document parsing costs by 50%. Their tier-based system replaces confusing modes with options like fast for simple documents and agentic for complex layouts, helping developers extract cleaner data for AI apps. Mastra's TypeScript AI framework just hit v1.0 with 300,000 weekly downloads and production users like PayPal. The big innovation is server adapters that let you embed AI agents directly into existing Express, Next.js, or Ono apps without running separate infrastructure. Anthropic just dropped an 80-page constitution for Claude that explains exactly why it refuses certain requests, like building bioweapons or helping with power grabs, even if Anthropic itself asks. It's not a rulebook, but a reasoning framework, teaching the AI to think through ethical trade-offs like a conscientious objector while staying genuinely helpful, which is a huge step toward making AI alignment actually transparent. Mistral AI just fixed a critical memory leak in vLLM, the popular open-source LLM serving engine, that crashed production servers by leaking 400 megabytes per minute. Since standard profilers couldn't see it, engineers used kernel tracing tools like BPF trace to catch it in low-level memory hooks, and the fix is just setting an environment variable. Inworld AI just released TTS 1.5, the new #1 text-to-speech model. It responds in under 250 milliseconds, fast enough for real-time conversations, and costs 25 times less than competitors. Suno just cut stem generation, breaking songs into individual tracks like vocals and drums, from 5 minutes down to 10 seconds. Plus, they launched Mashup, a tool that lets you blend any 2 songs into entirely new creations. That's it for today's Daily Epic AI news. Come back tomorrow for more industry updates.